After two major updates, Oppo is getting better.
Fingerprint sensor. Now that is quick. This smartphone came from the trading Shenzhen. Link in the description for you. All you need to do is find yourself a favorite smartphone, click on it. There'll be a discount code, additional discount code in the description, so you can save on the shipment. Worldwide shipping, and of course, no additional cost, which is fantastic. All you need to do is choose a global priority shipment. Let's go back to the smartphone. I ordered a 12GB version, and they sent me a 16GB version. Very nice of them. Maybe they didn't have 12. Well, I can see the specs. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, latest and greatest. 5000 mAh battery, 6.82 screen. RAM could be expanded by ROM, but ROM is slower than RAM, so I won't do that. Let's see the power under our hands, and the power is great. 2187 for the single core and 6584 for the multi. What does that mean? It means, let me just put it a little bit closer. It means that we have greater benchmark than Galaxy S24, which is extraordinary. Well, compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, it's quite a difference. And in the multi, oh yeah. We didn't reach Xiaomi 14, which was 666, but very, very close. But that sort of power doesn't mean anything if we cannot use it. Let's game. But before we game, you have to go to settings, battery, then hit more and high performance mode. Usually high performance mode is off in order to save your battery. But if you put it on, you'll have a max. Headshot. Wow. There's a beautiful sounding speakers and gaming and HDR experience. Woo! Very nice. Camera. And in the camera department, we do have a master mode. Show the beautiful photo. AI. There's so many features in this one. But of course, we can do AI removal. Circle the object. It's analyzing by itself. Let me just zoom a little bit. And 50%, and it's gone. And it's gone. You can compare. See? Only the shadow left. Let me just do it with this one. This is an AI photo. Also, you can, like I said, you have to take a full subject, and the AI will get you out from the frame, and you're gone. Auto mode with a master mode, so semi-pro. Bam, hitting those photos. Wow, they are looking nice, really nice. There's also a video will track your face nicely in the main lens, Leo IT 900. Wide angle with autofocus, so macro video and macro photo is possible. Wow, now that is cool. That is really cool. Not too many smartphones has that feature. Only the Ultra versions. 1x, like I say, Leo IT 900. 2x. All the lenses have autofocus. Look at it. Wow. Okay, I'm a little bit out of frame. Let me just do it like this. Bam. All right. All right. Also a portrait. Bam. That was from the zoom. You can do portrait from the main lens if you wanted to. And wide angle. Well, you catch the whole subject. Yeah. Bam. That is very nice. In the more department, we do have a dual video. So you can record in both cameras at the same time. You can zoom if you wanted to. You can switch if you wanted to. You can change the layout, or square, or split. You can put it whatever you want. Very nice. There's also some filters. Bokeh effect, more or less. All right. A lot of filters. High-res photo, which means 50 megapixel photo from all the lenses. Whatever you choose, it will give you a 50 megapixel photo. All right. Bam. Alright, let me show you some samples for photo and video. Front-facing camera, autofocus, it is quick. Bam. Man, very quick. You can zoom if you wanted to. Full length of my arm. For vlogging, really nice. Wide angle with autofocus and macro. Wow, now that is the quality. Look at the bokeh effect. Of course, zoom. 1, 2, 3, 6, even 18 if you wanted to. Wow, smooth experience. For the audio, we have a clear voice, Dolby Atmos, special audio, halo audio, haptic, all kinds of audio experience. But the sound itself is very warm, pleasant to your ears, one of the top sounding smartphones in the world. Conclusion: Oppo Find X7 is one of the best smartphones for photo and video in the world. It is making noises. Why is that? Well, when you shake the smartphone, 4 lenses with optical image stabilization. What does that mean? That means that the lens is hovering inside all around, and that's why it's making that noise. I'll make a different video about the noise in the smartphone. Link in the description or maybe in the end of this video, so you will know what I meant. But it's supposed to be like that. Don't worry about that. Beautiful screen. Very responsive, fingerprint sensor is very, very nice, and has that physical switch on the back, which will give you a silent mode or VIP mode. The VIP mode will just disconnect the camera, so you won't be able to use the camera. You see, it's a black screen, so it will give you a privacy experience if you need it. This device is one of the best photo-wise and video-wise smartphone in the world. Feels very nice in the hand. The battery life is okay. I'm using those smartphones very different than any other user. For example, yesterday Irium for 2.5 hours. Are you using Irium for 2.5 hours? Maybe you do, but the whole day easy. This is it. This is the #1 smartphone for photo experience, especially telephoto experience. I think that's all I have. Link in the description for you. No additional cost, fixed prices, and also a discount code for you in the description. See you next video.